Do have the chance for maybe a few scattered snow showers for the rest of today, but nothing like that. It'll just be more flurry action coming in, but for the most part, we are dry. And check out some of the snow sleet totals. And you know that sleet definitely cut in on some of the snow totals. But there you go. I want to show you BWI 2.2. That's the official status. That's where we really go from. So you could be in the city anywhere else. That's where it's taken from. 2.2. Frederick, 10 inches. So we had a wide range of snow totals that came in yesterday. But we do talk about the least snowy winters. And at one point, we were tied with the 1949 and 1950 season at coming in at 0.7, but with the snow yesterday, adding that up, we came in at 2.9. So now we've fallen to the 5 level. So as we go through the rest of the season, I think that we're pretty much done for it as of now. But again, we're still on that top 5 list of the least snowy winters. So as we continue through the rest of the day, this is what I'm talking about. Mainly dry, but that system well off to the north still could issue and turn in a few of those snow showers as we go through the rest of today. So I'm not going to rule that out. It's not going to be a day full of sunshine out there, but it is going to be a day full of cold conditions and also windy conditions. So that system has pushed through, and that's what it's left with. And we can definitely feel that this morning, and we're going to feel it all day long. We talk about the wind sustained now at about 21 miles an hour in Whitehall, 20 in Chestertown, 16s at the Inner Harbor, Middle River, Columbia coming at 17 mile an hour wind now, again sustained. We actually do have a wind advisory in effect through the latest one, the Eastern Shore through 8 o'clock, the Western Shore about 6 o'clock, and we could have gusts today up to about 50 miles an hour. So we are going to be talking about some very blustery conditions. Temperatures this morning in the teens and the low 20s. So what that translates into with those winds, oh yes, we do feel like the single digits in a lot of spots this morning. So that's what you need to dress for. Yes, winter is back with a vengeance. Make sure you do bundle up and you dress in layers this morning. ABC2's most accurate futurecast not picking up on a whole lot as we go through the next several days. By tomorrow, we will be seeing ample sunshine in the forecast, but we're still going to be talking about some very chilly conditions. Here's a check of that 7-day forecast for you as we try to rebound a bit as we head towards Saturday, but we do have a chance for a few showers then.